Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable the group policy editor in Windows 10 or Windows 11 home editions. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type notepad. Click on open it. Now you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to copy this code. Just to copy it and paste over here in the notepad. And then select file and select save. Save to desktop. And you just need to name this as anything you want. At the last of this name you just need to type dot bat. This is important guys, dot bat. After that select drop down and select all files and select save. After saving the bat file you just need to right click on the bat file and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to wait for this process to complete. After getting the operation completed successfully, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go to search menu and type group policy editor and comes up edit group policy. Click on open it and you can open the group policy editor. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.